ready to have the most magical day ever. Today we are going to Magic Kingdom and I just want to have the most magical day ever. Before we go, I want to show you guys my outfit. So I actually based it around my new Loungefly that I just got. This is an inside out Bing Bong Loungefly. We have Bing Bong and Joy on the cover with a little rainbow, so rainbow, hence the rainbow ears. And then on the back, the most emotional part, it says, "Take her to the moon for me." So I just got this from Very Nico, which is actually the sponsor of today's video. Thank you to Very Nico for sponsoring this video. I actually got to pick out a few other exciting things too, so I'm gonna give you guys a little haul. If you didn't know, Very Nico is a place where pop culture, kawaii style, and retro trends collide. Very Nico is a specialist e-commerce retailer that embraces community spirit and offers global fans access to the most exciting collectibles, licensed merchandise, and fashion-forward products. The most notable brands they carry are Loungefly, Cakeworthy, Funko, and more. I also got this cutie little flounder bag. I'm obsessed. This is from the brand Danielle Nicole. Another cutie Loungefly I got is this mini cupcake Loungefly. Like I said, Very Nico also carries the brand Funko, so I got to pick out a Funko Pop, and let's actually unbox this together. This actually might be my first Funko Pop. This is Dumbo in a bathtub. Okay, now do I leave it in the box or can I just leave it like this? I kind of like it out of the box. I don't know. Very Nico also sells Akitos, which are an exclusive high-quality trainer brand which is made to order and designed with your inner geek in mind. They currently have some Stranger Things, Care Bears, and Barbie ones. Very Nico also has exclusive clothing collections from the biggest franchises such as Stranger Things, Care Bears, Barbie, and more. I actually picked out this little Care Bears sweatshirt. I thought it was so cute. I got it in an XL along with this Care Bears bucket hat. Last but not least is maybe my favorite thing, and I got Friends lip balm. I'm gonna open it so we can take one of these with us today. There's vanilla, strawberry, and vanilla. I guess I'll take strawberry with me. So cute. And then they also have a membership program called Being a Catwalk Member. For only $4.99 a month, it gives you access to free shipping, exclusive offers, and early launch access to Loungefly pre-orders, which land at the start of every month. And so I also have a discount code for you guys, so you can use the code EmilyVN, aka Emily Very Nico, to save 20% off the clothing or 10% off the website. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, and I also have my own favorite section where I just kind of went through. I put all this stuff on there, as well as some other of my favorite things from the website, so you guys can shop that as well. Thank you so much to Very Nico for sponsoring this video. Now let's go to Magic Kingdom and have the most magical Magic Kingdom day ever. So first things first, I think we should go get some coffee. So let's go to Starbucks. I got my Starbucks, so I just got a vanilla sweet cream cold brew. It's a little watered down, but that's okay. Maybe that's good. Maybe I don't need that much caffeine today. So now we're just chilling and waiting for Festival of Fantasy. I am never here in the parks early enough to watch it, so I'm very excited.
Live your life within the moment.
The dragon is blowing fire. That's so great.
So let us dance this night away.
Hello from the Hubgrass. I decided it was time to get a Mickey pretzel, and yes, I got the cheese sauce. I really think that's what makes it. So I'm going to sit on the Hubgrass. There's actually nobody here. There's been nobody on the Hubgrass around this time, which is really good to know. We're going to Hubgrass and chill, if you will. There's a lot of sounds going on right now. Pianist is playing You've Got a Friend in Me, which I geeked out over. And then the band is playing the song from Encanto. Oh gosh, the Family Madrigal. This is very fun. So I'm going to sanitize my hands. I actually got a new one. Oh, don't hate me. I got leaves. So yesterday I went to Bath & Body Works and I bought all of the fall scents. Only in hand sanitizers. I didn't do anything else. Well, I got one candle. But I'm saving like my huge haul for a little bit closer. So I just saw a proposal. I saw them taking photo pass pictures like during the parade, and then the parade ended and I turn around and he's on one knee, and I low-key got emotional and had to stop from crying. I don't know why. Like, I feel like I've been crying a lot lately, low-key, but I did tear up, so congratulations. It was very cute. This cheese is so good. Like, it tastes better than it ever has. We need to figure out what we're doing next. I want to see if you can get pixie dusted. I know you used to be able to. I think you had to go to Bibbidi Boppidi Boutique, but I'm gonna go to the store behind the castle, see if they do pixie dusting. Hi! My video? Oh my gosh! It's so nice to meet you.
Like, I can't believe it.
Wait, really? Okay guys, I made some friends.
Hi.
They're so cute. Can you show off your shoes? Because they're really cute. I don't know if you can see, but they're... Oh, they're so cute! And you have a colorful shoe. I like it. I like the outfit.
Nice meeting
It was so nice to meet you guys. That was freaking adorable. I don't know if you guys could see her shoes, but they were like Crocs, but there was like pearls and all these gibbets in it. Oh, it was so cute. We're gonna see about the pixie dusting. And then after that, I want to go meet a character. We can't have the most magical day ever without meeting a character. Wait, hold on. Okay. Alright, ready?
Go ahead and close your eyes. Little faith, trust, and pixie dust. Let all your dreams and wishes come true. Go.
Wow, that was so fun. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. Have a great day.
You too. That was great. Ignore my hair. I don't know if you can see it, but that was so cute and fun. We're gonna go look for Chippendale and Storybook Circus. I think they should be out right now, so we're kind of gonna power walk to make sure we can get in line in time and meet them. Okay, I see them. They're in the shade, so they're hidden. You know, it's really funny with their eyes. Hi, Dale. Right? Hi. How are you guys? Can I get a selfie with you guys? Thank you. OMG, you guys. I just saw them testing the Tron coaster. I walked over here just to check it out. So this is what you see. You see this little dome-shaped thing and then the building over here. Maybe we'll see it again. And then I literally just saw, there it goes. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I was actually not expecting that. That's so cool. I'm so excited for Tron. I just met Chippendale and that was so much fun. They're the cutest ever. It's really hot, so we didn't really get to talk a ton. I didn't really want to like bother them. That's like what goes through my mind, is like I'm standing in line to meet them, but like I don't want to bother them. They were really, really cute though. I got a 0.5 selfie with them and it turned out so great. I don't know why I've never thought about doing that before. Like, that's genius. So I think I'm gonna start doing that with all the characters I meet. Try to get a 0.5 selfie with them. I was thinking we can't have a magical day without going on a ride. I thought maybe we could go on Dumbo. I'm hoping the wait isn't too long. I thought it'd be really fun just to go on a ride that's like up in the air and go on a ride that like gives you a lot of air, because it is really hot right now. So I feel like Dumbo will be like a really good like cooling off ride. So let's go over there and hope it's like a walk-on. That would be, fingers crossed. And it's starting to rain. I think I'm scared of heights. May have been a bad idea, but it's raining just a little bit, but low-key the rain feels good. Actually, it's kind of fun. I feel like this really was a magical little day. I got starbies on Main Street. You can call me Little Miss Starbies on Main Street. That's literally me. Well, am I more of a Joffrey's person? I don't know, actually. Really, it's just whatever's closer to me. That Mickey pretzel was so good. I don't know what made it so good. Maybe I just haven't really had one in a long time, but oh my gosh, it was the best one I've ever had. Because the cheese actually had flavor. It didn't taste like plastic cheese. Like, it was, I don't know, I thought it was actually kind of good. Meeting Chip and Dale was great, but the thing that I really kept thinking about was how when I got on Dumbo, it started to rain. And the forecast for today, there was no rain, which, like, I guess in Florida, especially during the summer, like, you can always expect just like a little bit of rain. But I thought it was so interesting that immediately when I got on Dumbo, it started to rain, and then pretty much when I got off, it stopped raining, and it hasn't rained the rest of the day. It's actually really nice out right now. While I was walking to my car, and yes, I walked from the TTC to my car, I was wondering, like, okay, what is the message here? What are you trying to tell me? And I came to a conclusion, because when it started raining, I actually didn't care. Like, normally if it rains, I'd be kind of like, I don't want to ruin my hair or my makeup or whatever, and I avoid the rain at all costs. But since my hair is natural today, I didn't care if I got rained on, and the only thing I really was concerned about was my camera. But my camera was actually covered because it was in my tote bag, which was like in the little Dumbo car, and like my legs were over it, so my camera was actually in the most perfect spot for the rain, and I actually kind of enjoyed the rain. It was kind of fun. And so I feel like the lesson there is, like, sometimes the rain isn't always bad. Like, maybe sometimes things in your life, like, that you usually deem bad or seem bad, like, maybe they're not always bad. Like, maybe they're kind of good. Do with that what you will, but I think that's today's lesson of the day, is sometimes the rain isn't always a bad thing. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I just want to give a huge thank you to Very Nico for sponsoring this video. I loved wearing my little loungefly today. And so if you guys want to shop this or anything else you saw, don't forget I have a discount code for you guys. It's EmilyVN. I'm going to link everything down below. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!